greater far than tongue or pen can ever tell. It goes beyond the highest star and reaches to the lowest hell. The guilty pair bowed down with care. God gave his son to wear. His erring child he reconciled and parted from his sin. When mortal time shall pass away, and earthly throne and kingdoms fall, when men who hear refuse to pray on rocks and hills and mountains call, God's love so sure shall still endure, all measureless and strong, redeeming grace to Adam's race, the saints and angels sing. O love of God, how rich and pure, how measureless and strong, it shall forevermore endure, the saints and the oceans fill, and where the sky of parchment made, were every star on earth a quill, and every man a scribe by trade, to write the love of God above, will drain the oceans dry, nor could the scroll contain the whole, though stretched from sky to sky. O love of God, how rich and pure, how measureless and strong, it shall forevermore endure, the saints and O love of God.